Hi everyone, I'm Nasira. Do you think building a website is hard or requires coding? Today I'll show you how to create a professional website in just 10 minutes, entirely using AI. No coding, no technical skills, just fast results. Most beginners get stuck because they think websites are complicated. You might hire developers, try WordPress, or spend weeks learning coding, and that's frustrating. But now, AI makes it super simple. Using the AI website builder included with Hostinger, you can have a fully functional professional website ready in minutes. Let me show you how it works, step by step. 1. Choose your business type or template. 2. AI generates pages, images, and content automatically. 3. Customize colors, text, or images in one click for preview and publish your website instantly. This method is perfect because no coding needed, beginner friendly. Affordable and fast includes hosting and domain. Many beginners have already built their websites this way without stress. If you want to try this AI website builder yourself, I've added the link in the description below. Click it and start building your website in minutes, no experience required. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Website Builder Lab for more AI tools and step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.